In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate chart series by category and by element in PowerPoint. It's a fantastic way to bring more dynamism and clarity to your presentations, and I promise it's easier than you might think. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. This is your starting point, whether you're creating a fresh presentation or working on an existing one. If you're beginning from scratch, take a moment to add in your photos, tables, and any other content that will complement your charts. Setting a solid foundation now will only enhance the effectiveness of your animations later on. Once your presentation is open and content is in place, direct your attention to the chart you've decided to animate. Selecting the right chart is key, as it will be the focal point of this process. Next, navigate to the Animations tab in the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint window. This area of PowerPoint is like your toolbox filled with tools to give life to your slides. You'll find a wide selection of animation effects to choose from. Consider the tone and pace you wish to set for your presentation. If you're looking for something subtle, a fade or wipe might be the ideal choice. Take a moment to preview a few options to see what fits best with your overall presentation style. Once you've settled on an effect, apply it by clicking on it. However, the magic truly happens when you click on Effect Options. This button allows you to fine-tune how your chart elements will animate. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an array of choices on how these elements will animate. This is where personalizing your presentation gets exciting. If your goal is to animate each category within your chart individually, you will select the By Category option. This choice allows each category to appear one at a time, perfect for when you want to emphasize individual datasets or trends. Alternatively, if you prefer to animate by series, you will opt for By Series. This option is ideal when you want to highlight series data across categories. It's particularly useful if you have a story to tell that follows a trend across different measures within your chart. To wrap things up, take a moment to preview your animations to ensure everything looks polished and flows smoothly. Adjusting the timing and order can help dial in the perfect pacing for your audience to follow along without feeling overwhelmed or rushed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've transformed a static chart into an engaging visual journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next presentation leaves a lasting impression. Remember to practice these steps a few times to become more comfortable with the process. Happy presenting!